Imagine opening an app and seeing a date, not a reminder, not a deadline, a death date, yours. Now imagine that date was calculated by artificial intelligence. Not guessing, not random, but analyzing billions of data points about you, your heart rate, your sleep patterns, your purchases, your searches at 2:13 a.m., and it says, you have 4,281 days remaining. Would you believe it? In recent years, artificial intelligence has learned to do something extraordinary, predict the future, not in mystical ways, but through data. AI systems can now predict heart disease risk, cancer likelihood, stroke probability, even mental health decline. Some models are already used in hospitals, and they're getting disturbingly accurate. But what if an AI didn't just predict risk? What if it calculated an estimated death date? There are real AI systems trained to forecast mortality risk. Researchers feed them medical records, genetic markers, demographic data, lifestyle patterns, environmental exposure. The AI looks for patterns humans can't see. Tiny correlations across millions of lives, and sometimes it predicts outcomes more accurately than doctors. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now. Now imagine scaling that. Combine medical data, social media behavior, location history, biometric wearable data, voice stress patterns, search history. An AI wouldn't just know your health. It would know your habits, your stress, your addictions, your mental state, your risk tolerance, and statistically, your likely lifespan. Let's say a private tech company builds such a model. Quietly, they don't call it a death predictor. They call it long-term life, outcome forecasting. Users opt in. They agree to the terms. The AI calculates. And then something strange happens. The predictions start coming true with uncomfortable precision. At first, it's dismissed coincidence, probability, statistical noise. But then patterns emerge. Users whose projected death window was within 30 days begin dying inside. That window, accidents, heart failure, overdoses, natural causes, all statistically explainable, but collectively disturbing. Here's the real question. If an AI predicts your death, did it cause it, or did it simply recognize the path you were already on? Because prediction changes behavior. If someone believes they have 12 days left, they might act differently, take risks, make choices. So is the AI predicting the future or shaping it? Let's ground this. Current AI cannot determine your exact death date. That level of precision doesn't exist. But lifespan modeling? That's real. Insurance companies use risk algorithms. Hospitals use mortality, prediction systems. Governments use survival forecasting. The foundation is already here. The only difference is scale and access. Now imagine this model leaks. Imagine a database containing millions of predicted death windows. What happens to insurance markets, employment screening, dating apps, loan approvals? Would companies quietly check your lifespan score? Would you be denied opportunities because an algorithm predicts you won't live long enough? That's where this becomes dangerous. Not horror, power. An AI doesn't need supernatural knowledge. It just needs enough data. Your watch tracks your heartbeat. Your phone tracks your movement. Your apps track your behavior. Your purchases track your lifestyle. Connect them, and you create a profile more detailed than you realize. The question isn't, can AI know when you'll die? The question is, how close can it get? If an algorithm calculated your final day, would you look, or would you choose not to know? Because once you see a number, you can't unsee it. And sometimes the most dangerous technology is the one that understands us better than we understand ourselves.